did you return?
It's not been long I came back.
Oh. Were you able to go to Chief's house?
Yes.
That's nice. Did you meet with his son?
Yes. Mama, please, I have to freshen up. She's hiding something from me.
Life is good. We don't need to ask LG. Ah. I won't give it to you. No. Oh, say that. What are you doing here? Huh?
Nothing. I was just passing by.
The only place you see you're passing by is where I'm having fun. Huh?
Baby, is this not the girl that visited at the hospital?
Oh, you move. Let's see him up and down. So you can get better moon now. Already see.
I see. So what do you want from my man?
I'm sorry. Please excuse me.
Hey. Come back here. What do you want from my man?
Please excuse me.
Hey. Go back. Now you listen to me. The next time I see you just this close to him, you have me to contend with. And this is my last warning to you.
I was not even talking to you in the first place.
Now you can go, bitch.
Pick up.
It's okay. No, why you? I'm never know before.
Oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods.
So you finally came back. You have formed the habit of sleeping outside every night. And how is that your business? You will cry at last, eh? You will cry at last and I will laugh at you.
Janet, you'll be the one to cry. Yes. And please, I don't have the strength this morning. I don't have the strength before you say I've insulted you.
Huh? If you insult me, nobody needs to tell you. I will beat you mercilessly. I will so beat you. You know now.
You will beat me because my hands are paralyzed. Or I can't fight you back. Which of them?
Keep jumping from one man's bed to the other. You will see what you did to you. And I will laugh at you. You will cry at last.
I know what is eating you up. Yes, I know. I know why you are roasting yourself. Because you don't have a man to call your own. Yes.
Me, roasting. As you can see, I am not roasting. I am reserved. Yes, I am. Very soon, in God's time, God's will, my own man will come. I don't have time for your useless life. I can't live the life you live. We are not the same.
Hey, God. You, reserved. Is that what you tell yourself? You're not reserved, my sister. It's because you don't have anybody to call your own. And if I may ask, how old are you? Yes. How old are you?
It is not by age.
Reserve. It's not
Don't
only
worry.
reserve. It's reservoir.
Don't worry. You will
Reservoir.
cry.
Continue reserving your song.
You will cry at last, and I will so laugh at you, eh? Don't worry. You're shaking your bum bum, and I will laugh at you very well. Just small time.
My father.
No, sir. Please hold on. I'll have to inform your father that you're here first, sir.
Really?
Yes.
I'm not a stranger that you have to inform my father that I am here before I go in.
Well, we have due process here. There's protocol, so you have to observe that.
To hell with that protocol. Excuse you.
Excuse me, sir. This is my office, and you don't have a right to talk to me anyhow.
Hello?
Please be mindful.
Hello? Are you losing it? Do you know that you're looking at the next CEO of this company? Mike on the Python, the icon. Mind how you talk to me, young lady.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
What?
Don't you have any shame at all? So you're waiting for your father to die so that you can acquire his company. That's all you want. That is all you know. A company you don't know anything about, you've never worked for, you've never been part of. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Okay, let me ask you a question. When you inherit this company, what are you going to do with it? Sell it, I presume, because you don't know anything about it. You should be ashamed of yourself, for real.
Did you just insult me?
No, I did not insult you, sir. I only told you the truth. Your father means well for you. He has always meant well for you. But you don't care. You're just a prodigal son. That is what you are. All these girls that are following you around and making you feel like you're the king of the world. Do you know why they are with you? They want your father's money. If that money is not managed well and it disappears, they will also disappear in a twinkle of an eye. So the earlier you think about your life and straighten your path, the better for you. So you better change your ways and know more about this.
Dad, huh? Are you out of your mind? Have you lost your sense of decorum that you barged into my office smoking? What is wrong with you, my dad? I want to ask you one question. Were you the one who told that idiot that whenever she sees me, she should insult me? Is that what gives you joy? What are you talking about? And what are you doing here? You have no business here. Anyway, I came to chop you off some bills. I'm going to see one day, smoke it, pocket dry. She said, I don't know. You came to do what? Chop you off some bills. You have the guts to stand before me and say you came to chop me off some bill. Listen, for your information, you are not getting any time from me until you provide the 700,000 you took from this office. Onto what, man? 700,000 onto what? Listen, you made money. The money you made is my own. The money you're still making is my own. What? Now get out of my office. I said get out of my office. I said get out! I'll get out. Get out! I said get out! Now get out of my office! I said get out of my office! Stupid boy! Anyway you see me in this life, run for your dear life. Why? Because I will shoot you. Some granite in your stomach and not know your family is poor. If your mother is not old, she will be like 90 and a farmer. Poor farmer. Listen, if I see you close to me again, you know why they call me Mike on the Python, the icon. Avoid me. Are you alright?
Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir.
You need to be careful with him.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
That boy is making me angry. I wish I had another son.
Let me get you off this one. Sorry, sir.
Rita is not back, and she's not even picking my calls. Eh? I hope she has not forgotten that I'm going to the church this night. Eh? What am I going to do now?
Day and night, oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the God.
Listen, she's the one calling me. Listen, no, she's calling me. Hello? Riri? What? Which hospital? Huh? Huh?
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Huh? You half engine. So you want me to knock for an hour before you come to open the door?
Sorry, sir. I was busy inside.
You're busy with your head. Sorry for your old mother in your goddamn village. Idiots. Let this be the first and the last I will knock on this door and you are not at the doorpost.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
If you tell me sorry, sir, I will cover your face with a sound slap like that of a church offering. Mugu. Where is my father?
He's not yet back.
He's not yet back. Where is he?
He's at the hospital. He fainted in the office, so he was rushed to the hospital.
Lai Mohammed. Lai Musumba. Laide. You're lying to me.
No, sir.
I was in my father's office this afternoon and he was hale and hearty. Now you're lying to me that he fainted and then he went to the hospital. Huh?
So that was what I was told.
If I find out that you are lying to me, if I find out that truth is not in your words, you see what I'll do to you. Anyway, Akeleke. What? Were you looking at me?
No, sir. No.
Close your eyes. I've never seen a gas.
Look at this one. Every time you're looking for who you will fight with. It's not because of you that your father is lying down on the hospital bed. You're calling me names. I don't blame you because I'm working for you people now.
Before, did you use the gas this morning?
Yes, I used it to boil hot water.
Why? Why did you use it? I'm asking you.
Please, I don't have strength for this talk. I don't have the strength.
Did you not hear when I said nobody should use it, that the gas is not much until I cook? Did you not?
Janet, you do not tell me how to use that gas. You don't have the right to do that.
Okay, I don't have the right to do that. You are not stepping out of this house until you refill that gas.
You know that's not possible.
Okay.
If you want to use the gas, you go and refill it.
Try me.
As for me, I'm dressed.
Try me. Stop me. Try me. Where do you think you're going? Go and refill. I knew what I'm saying. I said go and refill that gas.
Janet, go and refill the gas yourself if you want to cook.
You must go and refill that gas. You're not stepping out an inch.
I don't have strength for this. Okay. If you want to use the gas, go and refill it.
You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking? You must refill that gas or else.
Janet, go out of my way.
Okay.
Step out of my way.
You're just seeing Mama begging today. Come on. You're not going anywhere. You will go and you must refill it. It's a must. It's a must. You must refill it.
Janet, leave me alone. Wait, Mama, come and hold your daughter. I will kill somebody.
Abia, come on, get back. Who are you? Are you mad?
Mama, I will kill your daughter.
You are not going
I will kill your
Papa, there is something I want to ask you.
What is it, Obinna?
Papa, what is your plan concerning your late brother's house?
What do you mean, Obinna?
It's just that the place has been deserted for so long now, and if you ask me, it's better we sell it and use the money for something. Unless you're expecting his evil wife and daughter back, I don't know.
Nothing will make them come back to this village again. They have been banished from this land forever.
Isioko, then let us sell that place. Yes, let us sell that place.
Obinna, Papa, I will rather rent it out than sell it.
Papa, why now? Papa, how much do you think you can make from renting it out? Huh? Let us sell it and use the money for something. Let's meet again and the tenant. Let us sell it and use the money for something. Tenant Papa, you're not saying anything. Well, silence means consent.
I'm a
Hey, Pops. Hey, Pops. Go down, Carlos, man. Yo.
Good morning.
Hey, stop there. What do you think you're doing? Eh? Where are you going? Why are you following my OG in Ohoro?
Your old G.
My father, yes.
Oh, your father. Is he really your father?
Hey, mind your words. Mind your tongue. Listen, this is my father's house. If you do anyhow, you collect Gototo. I have every right to throw you out of this compound. Your big lips, me borrow my OG, man. Huh? Rita.
Sir.
Come inside.
Of course, sir.
Of course, sir. Popsy, be careful because of autopsy. What? This girl.
Okay. I'm going to tone it down a bit. I won't be too rude. Maybe I should just be calm and nice. Just a bit soft. I think that would work better. Yeah. What I will do. Oh, sir. I have to leave now, sir.
It's okay. Meet your mother when you get home.
She'll hear, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night.
Hold on 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Take this token as my appreciation for saving my life.
Sir, you don't have to thank me.
You deserve more than this.
No, sir.
Do you know what you did? What you did was unprecedented. Saving my life.
Sir, it is my duty. This is what I should do. And I am happy I did it.
And it is my forte to appreciate you.
Oh, God.
Huh?
Sir.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. 500,000 naira.
You're welcome.
Oh, my God. I appreciate this, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hi. I'm sorry about the way I spoke to you earlier, right here. I apologize. Please, can I have a word with you?
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Is there anything wrong with your senses? You lost your mind? You think you can... Leave her alone. Are you out of your mind? Listen, I'm Mike on the icon, the python. You should tell her. Otherwise, you enter my father's compound and you want to play tata with me. Therefore, well, imagine the one when you're gonna have Suboja that walked up from Oki when I'm not a somewhere. Want to follow me and do Peletum. Follow my big man's son to on the Tabago. Dad, Pops, my what you do move. Bye, just see how much in fact my what you do you give him bye. I have told Rita to forget about my son for the sake of her life. If he is not ready to turn a new leaf, let him be. He almost strangled her to death today if I had not intervened.
Akwenugia, you heard him. Stay away from his son, at least for now.
It is not only for now. She should stay away from him completely. till infinity. The devil is using my son.
Chief, thank you for your understanding. I pray that God Almighty will arrest your son one day for good.
God, you said.
Yes.
Mine is that Rita should avoid him completely. Stay away from him. I have to be on my way now.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Something took over me. Oh my God. Day and night. Oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the Spirit.
Hello? You're speaking with Chief Douglas. Yes, he's my son. He did what? Well, tell him to look for someone who will bail him. As for me, I am not coming there. Thank you. Nonsense. He can rot in that police cell for all I care. I've had enough of that boy.
Sir, what happened, sir?
There was a shootout at the club where my son attended last night. And he was among those arrested by the police, together with his girlfriend. He will never see me anywhere near that police station. Not me. It's not possible. Take this document. Nothing will ever make me go back.
Papa, thank God you're home. Thank God you're home. Hey, Papa, sit down.
What is it again?
Sit down, oh, Papa.
Papa.
Papa, after the last time I spoke with you about your late brother's deserted house, I discussed with my friend Ojuku and I asked him to get a buyer.
You asked him to get a buyer?
Yes, Papa. And guess what? He has found one.
Is that so?
Yes, Papa. And he said that the man is even ready to pay any amount you tell him. Eh? Hey.
Is that so?
Papa, God has buttered our bread. Papa, God has buttered our bread, yo. Papa, let me even go and call Ojuku to come with that man immediately. Huh?
You are a fool. Compound fool.
Papa, what do you mean I'm a fool? Papa, we know what do you mean I'm a fool now?
Did I tell you that I want to sell that house? Have I ever told you that I want to
Papa,
sell that
see,
house?
if that's a joke, Papa, stop it. Papa, stop it. What do you mean?
Obinna.
No, if that's a joke, stop it.
Obinna, you are the one who is joking. So, you want me to sell that house So you will squander the money as you always do. Now listen carefully. Even if I sell that house, you will not smell even shishi out of the money. Shishi, kobo, you will not smell.
Is that so?
Yes.
Papa, in that case, I will sell that land without your notice. Bet me. No, bet me. I will sell that land without your notice.
To bet you?
Let me even go and see you. It's like you don't know I'm your first son, right? Look, you don't know I'm your first son, right? No, you don't know I'm your only son, right? You don't know I'm your only son.
Hey! Obinna. Oh, Ibulugo Bulu na yo zo muta di obala. How? Hey! Hey! Obinna mama. Ah.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo.
Hello? Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I said to check on you and know how you're doing, sir.
I am doing very well. That's very thoughtful of you. How is your mother?
My mother is fine, sir. What about your son, sir?
My son is still in the police cell with his girlfriend. He will have to sort himself out.
Okay, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
She knew I was thinking about her. What a telepathy. So after all, my feelings are not wrong.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo.
What is it?
Mama, I just spoke with Chief and he sends his regards.
Is that why you are worried?
Mama, it's his son. His son is still in the police station and Chief has refused. He has insisted that he will not bail him. Mama, I have to go now. I have to bail him.
Huh? Rita! 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 If Chief does not want to bail his son, let him remain there. Oh. Mind your business, oh.
Yes, this might be the opportunity I have been looking for. I am not giving up on this.
Rita!
Oh yes, Mama, of course. If Chief does not want to bail his son, who am I to bail him? He should remain there, Mama. You're right, Mama, but excuse me now.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here, kinda yo.
Dear my friend, which kind of person you be, sef? No one has ever visited you here since they brought you.
No mind am. No mind this guy wey just come there like this. E be like say small time now sef, the food wey dem dey bring for us, our visitor dey bring for us, no go even dey test am again. E just dey here. By the time wey be say if you no see food to chop again and you no see water to drink again, you come know say this place no be child's place. Your eye go clear. No be this man wey come here tell us say papa get money, dey explain himself say papa get money. Oga, na all these people wey dey go live fake life for outside come here come dey gum body with people. Which kind? You know say you never pay your JB, you go. I never get your time. I just dey relax first. You go collect drilling. Normally.
You no wan talk now. Na where you see food, rubbish.
Mycon Douglas, you have a visitor. Your wife is here to see you.
My wife? Did you say my wife?
Stand here.
Where is my father?
He's not here. And he's not coming. He doesn't want to be a part of this.
So he sent you?
No, he did not. I came on my own accord. And I brought you food.
Did you tell them you're my wife?
Let's not talk about it here. I brought two. One for you and one for your girlfriend. So I don't know if they want to call her out or you will take to her.
Madam, we have been here waiting for you and you are busy discussing about family issues. Take this food, let me take this man back to cell. This is not your bedroom, this is police station. You should taste the food, let me take him back to cell, okay?
Okay, sir, no problem.
Good.
Mr. Ike, I have been battling this feeling for a long time now. I have tried to fight back, but the more I do, the more the feeling grows stronger.
Chief, you sounded like a child. You lost your wife so many years ago. It will not be a bad idea if you take another wife.
I am not particularly talking about taking a second wife.
I understand you, Chief, clearly. I know you have feelings for the young girl. What stopped you to marry her?
I am afraid she might be scared away. Mr. Ike, she is a nice woman. She has risked her life in making my son a better person.
Chief, why not go ahead and marry her? Make her your wife. I will support you, you know that. I will support you, I promise you. Think about it, please.
My dad has never acted this way. 7 days now, he has not cared to even come for my bailout, which means he has given up on me. Thanks to the secretary that started visiting recently. There's something special about her. Why did she tell them that I'm I'm her husband.
Here. Why are you not sleeping? All of us just they sleep and you dey just dey. Nah, better respect yourself. They talk say your papa get money, get better money. They suppose don't bury you for here. Come day here with make you sleep. You know, come die for person.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here kinda yo. 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 I tell you, say this life gon' make you wonder. Many chapters we are here to open. I keep fool what you go believe. Hello, Abu Balili. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here.
Since we did, you know, here we go. Hurry to go.
Don't follow you for. Since where you go, you don't have dinner.
Don't have, you know, commit the fire.
Don't get money. Good one, your parents.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'll come back, oh.
Come back.
I'll come back.
You will end up in prison.
Something took over me. Oh my God. Day and night. Oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the God.
What is happening to me? I can't stay a moment without thinking about her. What will I call this? Madness or what? That's a good day. Rita, what is going on?
That she came to bail me at the police station. Like she has been coming for the past 3 days. And I just want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the pains I caused you. Like, her visiting me at the police station has changed my life. And I promise that henceforth I will amend my life. I'll amend the way I live. Please, I want to say forgive me and take me back as your son. Remember that I am your only son. You don't have another. So even when you bother, remember that in this weather, we're always together. Please. That's okay. It's okay. Can get up. All right. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. Hi. Dali Philmond. But to the tree, Tara or Chacha. But they see go by now. We have put out to them day one.
So, Ojuku, what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is, there is no way you will sell that house without your father's consent. Yes, you need to convince him. You need his consent before you sell that house.
Ojuku, you seem not to understand what I'm saying. I've tried everything. This young man, my dad, I know my dad very well. He's very stubborn. I've tried every format. And what the format they use?
See, I'm glad you know he's a young man.
Ojuku, listen, Ojuku, I don't want to lose that buyer. I don't want to lose him.
I understand. But you sound as if you're not a guy man.
Ojuku, this is not about being a guy man. I know my dad very well. I've used every format and it's not working. See, and listen, if I try this one again and it didn't work out, I'll do what is in my mind.
Imagine, you don't want to lose the buyer. When your father is alive, you cannot sell that big house. You cannot. Because of nobody knows tomorrow. Since he's alive, respect him no matter what it's going to cost you. Talk to him, convince him, do everything within your powers, to make him give you his permission before you sell it. That's all I have to say as your friend, Obinna. I know what I am saying.
Is that what you think?
But that's the truth.
Okay. I will try one more time. But after this one more time and he didn't respond well. After this one more time and he didn't respond well, Ojuku, I will do what is in my mind.
Calm down, Obinna.
I will do what is in my mind. I don't want to lose that buyer.
Calm down, no.
I don't want to lose that buyer. I know what I'm saying.
See, just calm down and do as I've said. Talk to him. He's your father. Buy him Otaba. Have you thought of that?
What do you mean Otaba? Otaba Tawakwa Antiaba.
You're talking about your father.
Must I buy Otaba for him before he will allow me to sell
But it's not the cause of your problem now. Is he?
Ojuku, please, we'll see in the evening, please.
If you sell the house now, you start using the money to fund big boy and start carrying the NK. Okay, you start doing big boy for me.
I'll buy shoe for you.
You want that they will steal before I get to here.
I'll buy trouser for you now.
Obinna, but make sure your father gives you his prayers before you sell that house.
Yes. But after this one, I'll do what's in my mind.
But you buy Taba.
You say Taba, right? I'll buy Taba.
Alright, now later.
See you in the evening,
Oh.
Bye.
Yeah.
Something took over me, oh my God. Day and night, oh I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the...
Chief, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ike. You're welcome.
Thank you, Chief.
Sir.
Chief, you sounded so excited over the phone. So I said, let me rush down and know what is the situation all about.
Please, you did very well, my brother. Have a drink with me. I am happy again.
Thank you, Chief. So, Chief, tell me what's the good news all about?
My son.
Okay.
Rita has finally done it.
Wow.
It's like magic. My own son apologized to me and promised to be of good behavior henceforth.
You don't mean it, Chief?
I still don't believe it's not a dream. Wow. Yes. Please have a drink with me.
Wow.
My son will soon be back. Vivian.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Please get me a glass.
Okay, sir.
Chief, I'm so happy to hear this. This is the best news I've ever heard from you this year. Wow. This call for celebration. I'm so happy to hear.
Drink with me.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you, Chief.
My son will soon be back. He went to drop Rita at home.
Oh, our wife.
You can say that a million times.
Chief.
Now, my regards to your father, oh?
Drive carefully.
Sure, I will. Alright. Thank you very much. I appreciate everything.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Bye bye, yo. No, give me a hug. Give me a hug. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey! Oh, Chief will be so happy. You have restored his happiness.
Yes, he will.
Child.
But Mama, there's still one thing.
What is it?
All these girls, his girlfriends around him, they just keep confusing him and making him waste money. I just wish he would just, do away with them.
Don't worry. You see this, our God, He will never let all your efforts be in vain.
Amen.
Me. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey!
Mama, I'm so hungry. I don't give most things.
What is going on with me? Why do I keep thinking about this girl every minute, every second? Maicon, tell yourself the truth. You are in love. Yes, you are in love. I'm not in the mood to talk to you now, Informer. I need to organize myself first. Wind you on, Mama.
What's going on? I cannot seem to get him off my head. I just keep thinking about him all the time. I can't even sleep. Chief? Why is he calling me by this time? Hello, sir.
Rita, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good evening, sir.
How is your mother?
Oh, she's fine, sir.
I am still overwhelmed by what you have done in my life. So I decided to call to thank you, and I appreciate you.
The pleasure is mine, sir. We should be saying how grateful we are to you, sir. This is just a little show of our appreciation.
You are a good girl. Keep it up.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
My son is joining us at the company tomorrow. He said you talked him into it. You have done what no one has ever tried to do in my entire life. I really appreciate you.
I'm happy you're happy, sir.
So see you tomorrow at the company.
See you tomorrow, sir. Good night.
And good night. Such a wonderful girl. Dad, what is the meaning of this? Are you talking about? How could you take a woman that belongs to me? Huh? It's the meaning of this, Michael. Michael, what is the meaning? What are you doing? You're asking me what I'm doing. You! So you think you can deceive my father with this your big lips? Inami. Michael, stop it! Okay, you're still saying stop it.
Michael, don't.
I said stop it, Mike. You're still saying stop it.
Michael. Jesus. Wait. Jesus. What kind of dream is this? This dream is so bad. God. He shot his father in the chest. God forbid. What kind of dream is this? God forbid. God forbid. I reject it.
Hey, sugar more.
Oh.
I've missed you so much.
Missed you too. Chai,
You're welcome. Huh?
Thank you.
Please, let us go inside before my father will start giving me trouble. Please,
just like that.
Yes, now we don't have to waste time. Please.
No, please don't.
Good
afternoon, sir.
What is going on here?
Papa, I thought you were out.
Oh, you thought I was out. Then you invited her.
No, Papa, I did not invite anybody. She came on her own. I did not invite anybody at all.
Obinna.
Huh?
Obinna, you should be ashamed of yourself. Young lady, what are you still? Get out of my house.
No, now, Papa.
Get out of my
house.
house.
No, now, Papa. She's my visitor. Now, why will you chase her away like that now? She's my visitor.
Oh, you're a visitor. In my own house. Obinna, this is my own house. Go and build your house and entertain your visitors there.
No, Papa, this is my father's house. I have every right to do whatever I want in my father's house. So you can go to your own father's house and do whatever you want there. This is my father's house, yes.
Oh, you are still standing. Hey, you are still waiting. What are you still waiting here? No, get out of me. Get out.
Baby.
Baby.
Come on.
Baby. Ikuliwa Boron.
See, if you don't let us argue over this.
Argue over what exactly? Michael, you've not said anything that makes sense to me.
See, I do not want us to continue this relationship. Why? Because if you look at me, a lot have changed. You know, I now wear suit. The only thing that has not changed are my 2 earrings, which I know over time it will adjust. That is because I have decided to, leave my old ways. I want to help my father take the company to the next level. All right, so if I'm saying you should bear with me, okay?
Michael, I cannot bear with you. Bear with you for what? Oh, I see. Now I understand what is playing. It's obvious to me that you've gotten yourself a new girlfriend and you just want to dump me. Yes. Of course, I will not allow that.
Can you listen to me for one?
Listen to you say? It's obvious you have nothing to say. Oh, Michael, you think you can deceive me? You think you can use me and dump me? Michael, you have forgotten who you are dealing with.
Let us not go there. Let us not go there. See, we all know who we are. Alright?
Fine then. Just do whatever thing you have in your mind. But trust me, I will never take it lightly with you.